Welcome to ABC Rugs Kilims, the best rug cleaning service in Oxnard, offering exceptional quality at the best prices. We provide top-quality cleaning and professional care for all types of rugs and kilims. We specialize in cleaning wool rugs, wool and silk rugs, and even pure silk and antique rugs. Your most delicate pieces are safe with us. We also offer expert repair services, including handmade French wool repairs, wool and silk repairs, silk restoration, handmade binding, and handmade double knot repairs. Our rug cleaning process ensures the best care from start to finish. Pre-inspection, examine rug, identify stains, check color fastness, and create a customized cleaning plan. Dusting and dry soil removal. Deep dust and dirt are gently removed from the fibers. Spot and stain treatment. Rinse and water extraction. Professional drying. Final inspection, ensuring your rug looks its absolute best. At ABC Rugs Kilims, we deliver quality, trust, and professional care because your rugs deserve the best.